Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes of course is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing so nice. On today's menu we have some jerk salmon. Yes, some jerkity jerk. And here are my ingredients that I will be using. Yes, that nice old salmon. Look at you, Sammy. Yes, Sammy. And see the other ingredients then. So yes, of course, we need to season this nice, big, thick, proper, ready body slice of salmon. You are looking amazing. You are looking so good. So yes, we're going to season our salmon. So I'm just spritzing it with some oil, and then I'm going to rub that in. So this helps of course to keep it moisturized while it's in the oven. It helps to keep it moist, real moist and nice, and you need that for your fish or for any food really. So now I'm adding some salt, and then I'm gonna rub that in too and get it everywhere, because we do not like fresh food, do we? No, we don't. So get the salt, but at the same time we don't like salt food. Man, I will take fresh any day over salt. So yes, now I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning, and we're going to rub that in as well. So even though it's jerk salmon, I still always put a little more seasoning with it. You guys know you know by now how I feel about seasoning my food. So yes, rub that in and get it in the slits as well. So drop some in there. I had to get more of the all purpose, of course. So yes, you want to get it everywhere. So go ahead and rub it in. And of course, right this out at the top where the head is. So this is my jerk seasoning, right? I just put it in that little container there, and now I'm adding my blend up. So you guys remember the previous video, I'll link it down below. The stuff that I blend together, all the scallion, thyme and stuff, all of that. So that is what I added to the jerk seasoning. So yeah, remember I was telling you guys how amazing it smells and how good it is. So imagine those two flavors coming together, man. Yes, Father. So we're going to get it all up on our salmon. Get that jerk everywhere. By the way, this is the hot jerk. So this is not for the little weaklings who don't like pepper. So you actually have mild and you have hot. I'm trying to remember if there's another one before. I can't remember, but I'm sure you have mild. So you might want to get mild. But if you like that kick, that peppery pepper, then go ahead. The hot one is the one for you. So yes, rub that everywhere. And of course, you must get it inside the fish, right? You have to get it in the salmon. And guys, I'm trying to be so careful. By the way, I was trying to only have the gloves on one hand, use one hand, because I knew I had to spritz the salmon again, and I didn't want to touch the bottle with my hand being in the gloves touching the salmon. So I was trying to only use one hand, but it's not gonna work. But yeah guys, you have to be careful because the salmon has in bone, because you know, like when you buy the half, for most part the people, the butcher them or whatever you call them, they would take out most of the bone. But you buying the salmon whole, you get all them bones. So yes, it has a lot of bone inside. So I'm just trying to be careful. So that's why I'm just patting it and not rubbing it like crazy. So yes, get the jerk all up in there. So you at first you did the all-purpose seasoning. Now you're getting that jerk. Get it in there. Pat it in. Go girl. Yes. Pat, pat, pat. Pat it in and get them flavors all up. I mean, even when you get a piece of bone, even the bone must take soft jerk. The bone have a full of jerk. So, yes, get it everywhere. Get it all up on there. And just please, guys, be careful, because that bone right there. So now I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna do the same thing that I did before. So some oil. By the way, of course, I had to put on my gloves. As I said, I couldn't take it anymore. So I called my little helper, my husband, to come and do the spritzing for me. So yes, because I was like, nah, I need my next hand. So yes, so do the salt, and then we're gonna do the all-purpose seasoning, or your fish seasoning, whatever seasoning you normally use. You have fish powder and stuff too. But I love them nice bag seasoning there where you get from Jamaica. Those are the ones that I normally have, that my mommy sent for me. So yes, I'm rubbing that all over it, and then I'm gonna go in with some mighty jerk. Jerk away, my girl, jerk away. Jerk away, my girl, jerk away. Rub it in, rub it in, my girl, Okay, sorry. Yes, so rub it all over, and listen, you don't want to miss them slice, them bust there, what that is in the belly. You don't want to, you need to put it there, put it right there. And by the way, guys, please put your seasoning, whatever you're rubbing, into another container. We don't want no cross contamination. So yeah, like if you can put it in another bowl or something, so that even though you touch it with your hand that has the seasoning on it, you're going to just move from right there seasoning it to put it in the sink, right? So yes, so now I got my other baking tray, I put some oil in it, and then now I'm switching out my salmon from that one to this fresh baking tray. And in the slits, I'm putting some thyme. Guys, can you guys come to and really recognize the flavors that is taking place right here? So yes, in your preheated oven, that's 100, and I think I did 185 degrees Celsius. Yes, I think that's what I did, and I'm going to have to convert it to Fahrenheit and let you know down below. So yes, cover the salmon with a foil paper kind of loosely and put it in the oven with the foil paper for 10 minutes. So for the first 10 minutes, that's what I did, and then after that I took it off and let it do the other 20 minutes without it. So here it is after the first 10 minutes. I'm taking it off and then put it back in the oven for 20 minutes. Without the, yes, fix the time. Fix him. Timey. Go back in, Mr. Time. So 20 minutes. And then that's gonna be us. Salmon don't take long to cook, guys. So yes, here it is. Here it is all done after another 20 minutes. And VYBZ FAM, see we ya. See we ya. Muggle fishy. Muggle Sammy come right out. Step right out. You look good, Sammy. You look all the way good. We not ask them. We are telling them. We are telling them say you look good. We not ask them. Jump out in the video like Sammy, because you're ready. You're ready for every single one of them. Lemon, yes, we'll see you come through, Lemmy. And Mr. Pepper. But guys, VYBZ FAM, I'm telling you, this salmon was magnifico. It was amazing. When my husband tasted it, he was like, no, babe, this needs to be an abomination. What's going on here? It was a meat. Vibes Fam, you have to try it. You have to try it. And you can do it with the time in there, or you can take it out and look at it this way. Amazing. Whichever way you choose to put it on, decorate it up, put it on your table, and let your family and friends enjoy it. Vibes Fam, it's amazing. Trust me. So, so nice. Please try it. But thank you so much for watching, and as usual for hanging out with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you.